Wondering if anyone has got any tips for me. 2012 Aurion. When you change mode, it says it's changing, but a lot of the time it does not change. Maybe only half of the time it will change where it's going. So now it says feet and face. It's still on on the windshield. Still on the windshield. Still on the windshield. No difference. It only maybe half of the time it's doing it. So if I cycle through, and then if I go to front, cycle through a bit more, sometimes, whoop, there we go, now it's coming out the top vent. But it only does it sometimes, not all of the time. Sometimes you might have to cycle it through maybe 10 times and then it'll decide to work. And then you can stop the car, get out of the car, get back into the car, select face, and straight away it'll work on your face. Any help, please?